Hello and welcome to the I Am Business. And today I'm going to share with you 200 coloring books niches for you to publish. And like I always do, I will share with you the niches and you get to decide what you want to do with it. But I'm opening up your eyes to let you know that you can do more. And this is for low content and no content publishing on KDP. So some people may ask, what is low or no content publishing? These are books that we publish on Amazon that have minimal content. So there's actually small content and no content sometimes on it. And we can talk about logbooks, we can talk about journals, coloring books like what I'm going to do today. And once you know how to publish, you have a lot of information about the niches. You are going to make one or two sales out of each niche. I'm telling you, it's not easy, but there are people who are making sales. If you check my income report, I didn't do any advertisement. I didn't do any marketing. In fact, I don't even promote my books organically. I just publish them and I leave them to fate. So you can equally do that. And today I'm going to share with you 200 niches for coloring books. And you can get this list extremely for free. If you watch this, at the end of this, you are going to get this list yourself for free. So keep watching and let's do more. If you have questions, also support my channel by liking this, by subscribing, by sending me a comment, by just saying hi and letting me know your country. So the first one is the animal coloring books. So let's check that one on Amazon. And this is Amazon, the platform, Amazon. So we're checking the animal coloring book. So you can see there are a lot of books that have this particular niche. And you see that 1, 2, 5 animal coloring books. And I'm going to do this only once, and the rest I may not be able to do them. And I just want to check the sales using Helium 10. So you can see its sales is not that bad. You can see somewhere this time, I think that is March. You can see how high it's just this March. It went high and it kept on. So the sales keep trickling in consistently. And if I want to do the 90 days, you can see it's still the same. And it's just a new book, I guess. February, it got published in February 2023. And look at the sales that's coming in. So it tells you that if you do your things right, if you do your marketing right, you are going to get some sales coming in. And there are a lot of them that you can just publish. You can go to, I will share with you a site where you can easily get interior templates and you publish your book. So number one is you can say 100 animal coloring books. So you can do, there are a lot of varieties. You can work with that. And if you take it a bit serious, you can create your own site and do this business with that. So I have mandala coloring books. So check that one too out. And it's mandala coloring books. So it's also another niche. And this is a serene niche for health reasons, for whatever, for like mindful patterns, like you name it. This book has it. And you can see 100 mindful mandalas coloring book, and people use this as a reflective guide. They are printing this, they are coloring, and there's joy in doing that. So, and you can get the interior very simple to publish. So this is how it looks. So, and you can publish this, do this. It's a great niche actually. And you can even do a website and start selling only these books, mandala coloring books. You have variety of them. You design them. You can get the interiors to design on Creative Fabrica, different places. If you can do them yourself, that is good. That is good. So among these are all part of the coloring book niches. So you can see just a few that I'm going to share with you, but you've seen that there's more to it. There's more to it. Some of you waste a lot of time watching videos and they are doing niche research. I'm telling you, most of the niche researches in terms of keyword and stuff, please just do your own keyword researches. I'm telling you, just do your own keyword researches and you are good to go. This is flower and plant coloring books. So you can target this and also give to the people who like this. So as I go through this, you see nice, nice, nice. And you can also just put in one or two and you can make some traction. So let's go down. So there are a lot of them, about 200 of them that I've compiled. And this is going to be given to you for free. So cartoon and character coloring books. So you can see this one. We have cartoons and character coloring books. So let's check where is that, please. So put this one here and boom, we are ready to go. Wow, kawaii character. So cartoons, you can see nice cartoons, and people are buying this for their kids because children love cartoons. So if you even know their favorite movies, you can put their characters into cartoons, and they get to use this one as a baseline to do their coloring and also to learn from this. So anime and manga coloring books, we have science fiction coloring books. So let's look at science fiction coloring books. So there are a lot of them, and you can get the list for free. Don't worry. Don't worry. I can see some people copying the list. I always give it for free because I've gone through the pain of getting niches, and now I want to give niches to be able to do more. Science fiction. So it is the science fiction, and aliens. Aliens are coming. So you can design this, and people will get to color. So there are two things. If the books are selling, it simply means it's okay. There's also another variable that they may not sell now, but in the near future, they can sell. I've been doing this for quite 3 years. Since 2020, I started active publishing, and I've realized that some books are there, they've never been sold for 2 years, and this year they are picking up. So that's why you need to have hope and just keep publishing. And now I don't publish anymore. I just sit down and I'm watching the analytics. I don't publish it. I don't do any marketing. But if you check my income report, I'm making some traction. And that's what I want you to know. Keep pushing, keep moving. You may not be publishing, but just find time and publish in all the niches. I've published in different niches. And that's why I'm enjoying my labor. So we have outer space dinosaur coloring books. Let's check this one. Since I'm going to give you the list, also do your own researches. Don't just publish, do your own researches to see if you can publish more, and if it's a fit for you, then you can do more with that. But also leave me a positive rate review on the list you are going to download, because I've given you this list for free. Why don't you also leave a review? And once you leave a review, a lot of people will get to see it, and they are going to publish and also learn from this. So it's just free list that I'm giving you that you can also publish. You can do more with this list, and you are going to be unstoppable. So the list is still endless. 20 outer space abstract art coloring books. Let me look at the abstract arts. We have sports hobbies coloring books. Abstract art coloring books. Great. So you can see this is how it looks like. We have the boho, we have the reverse coloring. So these are hidden gems I'm just sharing with you. It's real niches. Yoga and meditation coloring books, tribal and ethnic design coloring books, sailing and sailboat, extreme, ancient warriors, tarot and fortune telling coloring books, tea party, abstract expressionism, and modern art coloring books. Wow, beautiful. Green living and sustainability. So the beauty of this is that when you target some individuals, you can be able to give them what they want. So there are people who also like this green nature and stuff. You can be able to target a military and armed forces coloring books, ballets and dance coloring books. I've never seen this. I've never seen this. Let me check this one out. Ballet. We all know ballet, but just looking at these coloring books. Wow. Ballerina. So a kids will love this. So look at what kids will love, like this one. A lot of sales coming in. And you target the young ones and you are able to do more. So the list continues. Mathematics and geometry coloring, health and wellness, play, space exploration, all of them. School and classroom coloring books, craft, music and instrument, vintage. There are a lot of books that you can be able to. Floral and botanical coloring books, pirate and nautical coloring books, Middle Ages and Renaissances, Egyptian and African art coloring books, and many more. There are a lot of coloring book niches. Just go through it, just know what you want, and you are able to do more in that space. So the list is going to be here for you to download. So you go to Creative Fabrica and you can download the list. But then if you also want, you can subscribe and get more of the KDP interiors. If you are not that savvy tech and you cannot waste time designing your templates, just come here. And if you have the monthly for 4.99, just type mandala coloring. You download all of them for free in the month. So you see mandala colorings, you can see all these beautiful ones. You can use to design your mandala coloring books, combine them. Some are up to tax, some you just have to bring them together to be able to do your coloring books. So all in all, it's okay, it's great. And I'm going to leave the link to download this book in the description below. So there's a link to download this PDF templates for free. Niches rather, all these niches, I'm going to leave a link for you to download this for free. So hit me up, let's do more. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, like this, and let's do more. I believe in you. I appreciate your time. Let's go.